Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, the market is open and we can see the market is trying to act stable. Okay, more or less behaving like a normal Monday market. Things are not crazy after this big fall. As we have already discussed more or less all the things in our previous video. So if you're looking for a detailed analysis, then you can watch the video from Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. And as we all know that for the last few days, gold is acting crazy. Things have not been going very well because most of the indicators, most of the tools, most of the bots, okay, signal generators, nothing is working. Gold is just dancing to its own tune. So we need to be careful. Okay, and right now we can see that gold is okay, just showing low volatility, and obviously this is quite natural also, because volatility always move from high to low and low to high. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold holds steady as focus turns to US data for more Fed cues. Gold prices inched higher on Monday as investors waited for a series of US economic data this week that could shed more light on the Federal Reserve's interest rate path. Gold edges higher. You can see gold around 400 per ounce on Monday after a two-day decline as investors brace for flood of delayed US economic data set to be released this week. So many data are coming this week and market is waiting. Gold firms as US investors focus on US data for more Fed cues. So my dear friends, okay, so this is indicating, or the articles are indicating, that market is mostly waiting for the news, and till then we can expect the market to remain sideways, because as I always say, my dear friends, or you must also know that fundamentals give direction to the market, and right now market is waiting for a direction from the fundamentals. As a result, there is a high chance that okay, till the news comes out, okay, we may see the sideways market or a choppy market. Means market may remain just like this. So market has tried its best to stay above 4,000 level, and we can expect the same after the news. If market drops crazily just like previous week, that's a different story, but without news, chances are very low that market will be going below 4,000, because if we look at the hourly time frame, this black line is the 4,000 level. Okay, so if something crazy happens also, okay, the maximum thing will be market will be going below 4032. If that happens, obviously we can look for a sell below 4032, but market will try its best. The buyers around 4,000 level will try their best to go to take support around or to survive the market. Okay, so during this day, okay, right now in this situation before the news, we can expect that if market drops also, market will be getting support around 4040 to 35, because the buyers around this area, I'm not saying that this is a very strong support, but in a market condition like this where volume is low, volume plays a crucial role. You can see the size of the candles, volume is not very high. So in a situation like this, you can definitely expect 4040 4035 to provide support to the market. After news, if market breaks with a big red candle, we can look for a sell below same level, but as of now, okay, there's not much volume, so we can look for a support around this area. And since 14 November, the market is struggling around 4110, 4112, this yellow line here. Okay, around this particular zone, market is facing resistance. Okay, you can see the reason is, okay, the previous support is acting as resistance. So if market goes up, see market is running narrow range here. If market goes up or market tries to recover, then obviously market will be going above this level. So where is the next resistance? The next resistance is around 4150. Not precisely, because as we all know, gold is crazy. Okay, the zones have become very big, stop losses have become very big. So around 4150, 4155, you can expect the market to face some resistance. Why? Same logic. The previous support will be working as resistance, and 4150 is also a round number. So as a day trader, we can look for a sell position. Okay, if you see that market is showing price rejection from above. Okay, so this is a buy, okay, in a low market volume, and if market drops with a big red candle or just like previous week, we can look for a sell below the same level as well. Similarly, as a day trader, we can also look for sell position around 415055 if market shows price rejection from above. Right now, low volume, market is trading in a very narrow range here, and if you see market, okay, later on market takes support around the same zone, means we can also buy at pullback. Pullbacks are safer in comparison to breakout because right now volume is low. If you buy at breakout, maybe after some liquidity sweep or SL hunting, market will be coming down. That can be dangerous, so try to buy at breakout. Later on during the US session or after any news, if we see a breakout kind of a scenario, then you can go for a buy. Otherwise it will be better for us to buy at pullback. Similarly, this level, okay, 4070, okay, this will also act as the resistance previously. Means if market drops, okay, you can look for a sell around the same area. Means when 4070 4069 will act as resistance, there also you can sell as well. So be careful, do not take big lot sizes. Okay, just try to understand the logic here. Market will be trading in a range before the big news, or before the news we can expect the market to remain sideways or choppy. So we are just looking for trading opportunities, okay, with the help of price action. And things have been crazy, things are not working very well, okay, for all of us. So we need to be a little bit on the safer side. So again, I'm repeating, if market drops 4070, yes, it is working as support right now, but already market has tested it many times. So there is a possibility market will be going below it. Right now volume is low, otherwise I would have suggested a sell at breakdown. Okay, during the European session, if volume comes, you can look for a sell below 4070, but otherwise when the same level will become the new support, you can take a sell position there as well. Similarly, around 4110, okay, we can look for a buy at pullback as well, okay, if market takes support. And let's wait and watch, keep in touch with it. And my dear friends, you must have observed that today's trading view looks a little bit different, but yes, it is trading view, and this platform is from Vantage Markets. If you want to trade directly from trading view, buy and sell orders, then this is the perfect solution. You can do your analysis on trading view, and you can also directly place buy and sell positions from this platform. Okay, you don't need to go to the MetaTrader 4, 5 for order execution. We can directly place buy and sell positions from here. So if you are looking for an easier analysis and easy order execution, switch to Vantage Markets. If you use our referral, you'll also get access to our WhatsApp community. Feel free to join, the link will be in the description, and trade with peace of mind.